For the past 10 years, we've been on a mission. A mission to promote sustainability in the automotive industry. But what exactly is sustainability? We are EM10, the 10th iteration of TU Ecomotive, and when we started concepting in September, we asked the same question. Our projects cover a wide range of topics, so we identified a set of sustainable actions that form the basis of sustainable ownership and product development. Firstly, reduce. Reduce the use of products, reduce materials, reduce logistics, and reduce emissions. Secondly, reuse. Reuse the products, reuse materials, and reuse same components for different applications. Then we have repair. Make the product easy to repair, so one failure does not render the entire product unusable. And finally, recycle. If nothing else, make sure your product is recyclable at the end of life. Each one of our previous cars fit under at least one of these sustainable actions. But what about repair? With current trends in the industry, we see repairability in EVs becoming less and less accessible. And while the EU has already made legislations for household appliances, mobile devices, e-bikes and even scooters, they are yet to address the car market. Therefore, this year, TU Ecomotive is focusing on the right to repair. EM10 is taking on a mission to redefine vehicle repairability through 3 key pillars: knowledge, ownership, and responsibility.
During the design phase, we made sure to keep repairability at the center of our design process, creating a feature set aimed at making repairing and replacing parts as simple, inexpensive, and accessible as possible. Firstly, we have designed a fully modular tractive battery system, allowing the user to replace the battery with no tools or experience required. We are also implementing standardized fasteners, using as few types of bolts as we can, and no glue. We ensure that parts can be accessed with a minimal set of tools. And to make internal components even more accessible, we are introducing quick-release body panels, drawing inspiration from Eterna, our project from 2 years ago. We are designing a system which will allow us to quickly detach the body panels of the car without tools.
These are just a few of the innovations we are working on this year. And along with others, they will allow us to create a car which is 3 times as repairable as the state of the art. We are excited to share more details with you as we begin the manufacturing stage. While our team is working hard to deliver this project in July, we want to extend a big thank you to all of our partners for your continued trust and collaboration, and all of our followers for your support. This project would not be possible without you.